So our topic today is drying in air conditioning subject. So we are given with total mass of 100 kilogram, a mass of water of 30 kilogram, and we're required to get a moisture content or equals to MC. So for our solution, to get the MC of moisture content, our moisture content, by the way, is wet basis. And to get our moisture content, mass of water over total mass times 100%. So our mass of water is 30 kilogram and our total mass is 100 kilogram times 100%. We'll have a moisture content of 0.30 or 30%. Another problem is we're given with the water removed equals 30 kilogram and a time of 2 hours. We are required to get the drying rate. To get the drying rate, we have a formula of water removed over time. So our water removed is 10 kilogram and our time is 2 hours. Our drying rate is 5 kilogram per hour.